One of the things that really helped me get more hydration was this technique along with the conditioners. I didn't used to do the conditioners at all. And when I started doing them, it really helped my hair a lot. Hello beautiful ladies, welcome back to Curly and Elegant. I am Jeanette, and if you're new here and you want to learn more about your hair, how to make it healthier, how to take care of it, make sure to press the subscribe button below. Now today we'll be talking about Squish to Condish. Yes, that wonderful technique that will help us hydrate our hair further and with product penetration, because it's really good for curly hair, especially for thirsty curly hair. It is very good technique. This technique has been for a while in the curly world, so this is nothing new. But today I want to bring a more in-depth of the technique, where it came from, how to do it, at least two of the ways you can do it. Squish to Condish, you can find it written in STC or S2C. The same thing, Squish to Condish. This technique uses conditioner, and the goal with it is to make the product penetrate further in the hair and increase hydration. As I said in the beginning, there are many ways you can do this technique, but the ways I will present you is the Reno way and the bowl method. I want to also mention here, like in a parenthesis, that this technique was first employed in a hair salon by a hairstylist called Melissa Stites. The initial method was a little bit different from the ones I'm presenting you today, because the point was for it to be applied in a salon by a hairstylist. But later on, people modified it. I also want to mention that I found this information while going to the first post about Squish to Condish in YouTube. Yes. So I'm not sure if she was the first one who ever did this, but she is the first one documented in the internet that did it. So let's go on to the first method, the Reno. So the original method consists of, after you apply the conditioner and let it act for a couple of minutes, you will use your hands as a cup and you will put water in it and you will start squishing that water in your hair. You will still doing that until all the product is removed, or most of it at least, because it's really difficult to remove everything with just the water in your hand. You after that can rinse out the conditioner, or you can even leave it there, so it helps your hair a little bit. Yeah, it's not bad to leave conditioner in your hair. The next one is the bowl method. So after applying the conditioner again, you let it act for a couple minutes, whatever, you're ready to rinse. Now, what you will do is just grab a bowl, physical bowl, put water in it. You will put your hair in the bowl and start squishing it. And we'll pretty much have the same effect. This is actually the way it was supposed to be in the salons, because remember, when you are in the salon, your hair is being washed in a shampoo bowl. So it is easier for the stylist to do this method. After you squish your hair a couple times in the water, this is to encourage hydration, you will proceed to rinse it out, or you can leave the excess a little bit, not too much either, but you can leave it in your hair. As I said in the beginning, this method is very beneficial for your hair if you need hydration. So this technique is really good for people with gray hair, people with coarser and tighter curls. Like, that type of people will really benefit about this, because the method encourages hydrating your hair. So if you need hydration in your hair, if you're battling with it, this technique could be really, really good for you. So it will be worth trying it. I also want to know, have you applied this technique in your hair routine? Has it worked? Has it not worked? Just let me know in the comments below. What do you think about this technique? How it worked for you? And if you haven't tried it, are you gonna give it a try? I would love to know how it works for you. Well, thanks for watching this video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't done so, and like this video if you do. And make sure to click on the next video so you can get more hair tips. See you there, beautiful.